All right, look at this beautiful butterfly. Welcome to another video, guys. So today I just kind of want to go over some of the stuff that we have going on the car this week. Took that L, still feeling the effects of getting the car stolen. Y'all saw in the last video we got the key reprogrammed. The car does have a full security system on there and everything else now. The Valvetronic exhaust giveaway ends April 30th. So if you guys want to still enter in to win that, any purchase on boosted-lucky.com, every $5 spent on boostedlucky.com gets you an entry in to win. But what we're doing on this car is we have ourselves a carbon 3-inch X pipe that we're putting on here. Carbon 3-inch X pipe. We have some more turn down tips that I got off of Amazon. V-bands that we're going to be using. So I'm using these are Evil V-bands or whatever the company's called. Yeah, so we're using these V-bands to go on the ends of the turn down tips, the Valvetronic mufflers, and on this X pipe. We have all that. FIC 2150cc injectors that are going to be going on the car, and we have a triple pump from Nitrous Express. We're using their whole system. As you guys know, like I said, they stole the first one that I have for the car, but we ended up, you know, being able to take care of replacing that and picking up the new build. So, you know, thank God for that. And we're still trying to, you know, make progress and move forward. But nonetheless, I do have a second triple pump here. This is what's going to be going in the new race car build. So I already got a triple pump. I don't have to worry about that. I'm happy that, you know, through all this bullshit, I'm still able to, you know, still progress and make all this stuff kind of happen. And you know, once I get the triple pump system in hand, I'll show you guys more about that on that stuff. But we're finally going to be able to do some full pulls on the car, and I'm super excited. Y'all know I've been waiting for a long ass time for this, and you know, the time has finally come. All I'm trying to do is show everybody my journey, my progression, and everything that it is that I'm doing, and share and show y'all that y'all can do the exact same, man. Who knows how far you can go. So I'm trying to stay very ambitious with all this stuff, and you know, just very, very blessed. So this is with the valves closed. We're just cruising. And this thing is super quiet, dude. Like, compared to how it was before, it's a night and day difference. I can close the windows, you know, just chill and not have to really worry about much of anything, dude. Just, there's not a whole bunch of vibration like there was before. It's super quiet on the inside of the cabin, and most of the exhaust now is out the back and not just dumped at the rear back seat, you know, which is kind of how it was before. But because everything is V-band, we still have the ability to go back and forth. So man, like, this is crazy. So I'll sit here and I'll hit the switch to, there it goes. Valve should be open. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna close them. That is crazy. Oh my goodness, man. Okay, valves back to being open. Oh my gosh. And the best part about this, right, is I can hear the supercharger whine now. Like, I couldn't hear that at all before. I had lost that aspect of the whole thing, so being able to hear the whistle for the first time the other day, dude, like, it's crazy. And it screams. Like, it's insane. Shit. Bro, this bitch screams. Alright, I'm gonna close the valves and let y'all hear the blower. And man, this thing is crazy. I will say the only thing I need to do is try to get it like on a switch where it's like in the car so I don't lose this remote or have to lug the remote around. But alright, close them. Valves are closed. Crack the window so you can hear it too. Woo! Shit. And that's the limbo. This thing is insane, bro. Like, it feels like a whole new car. I don't even know, like, the words to, like, describe it, dude. Like, it's so amazing. I'm so happy I did this. Bro, this thing sounds insane. It's everything that I want. This thing is crazy.